Right, I'm going to show you guys how I do a protein pancake. Now, just so you know, this is a lot more food than some people might eat for a snack, but this is my first meal of the day, and I worked out today. I did squats, deadlifts, and overhead press, so I need some calories. Now these, I'll put the calorie information in the description or on the Facebook post. The calories for these are in there. These are protein pancakes. They have banana, canned pumpkin, egg, and oatmeal. And actually, my mom makes these and I buy them from my mom. So I put those on a plate. I don't heat them up. I'm fine eating them cold. Some people like to heat them up. You might like to. They're really good if you heat them up in a toaster, but I just want to eat right now. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon on each one of these. So that'll be a total of 4 tablespoons, so that's 2 servings of peanut butter. Again, I'll put the calorie information in the description. And I am calling somewhere around here a tablespoon. That might be a little less. I don't think it's more. So I'm totally estimating. I'm not weighing out the peanut butter. I don't want to put my peanut butter in a tablespoon container. Not right now anyway. I'm not that crazy. I'm eyeballing it, but I got a decent eye for it. And of course, you got to lick the peanut butter off the knife. Banana, pretty large. And that's it. I'm going to eat it with the spoon. Nothing else on top of there. Excellent meal. That's my breakfast / lunch right there.